Shalom Saints, if you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom Saints, there has been an update to the Be a Blessing list for Passover 2023. We're adding 50-gallon contractor bags to the list. There has also been an adjustment to the mailing address. If you choose to ship your items, please ship to 5960 Pumpkintown Lane, Lafayette, Tennessee 37083. Whether you ship or bring the Be a Blessing items, please remember to call the dining hall and provide a list of items you will be blessing us with this feast, so that we know what is being provided in advance.
If you are part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.